Hey everyone, just wanted to hop on here with a quick tip about importing your iPhone footage into Adobe Premiere, and a problem that I ran into, which is that my footage looked completely blown out upon import. After doing a little bit of research, I found that the problem is in Premiere Pro's color management default setting. The good news is that it's a very easy fix, and so that's what we're gonna do today. So let's hop on in. So what you're going to want to do after you have your clip or multiple clips imported is you're going to want to select all your clips. You can just do that by making sure you're clicked in here and hit Command or Control A, and that's going to select all your clips. And then you want to right click and go to Modify and Interpret Footage. And once you're in this screen, what you're going to want to do is look down at the bottom where it says Color Management, and you're going to want to click on Color Space Override. And this is where you want to change your settings to Rec 709. As soon as we hit OK, we're going to see how the colors get corrected. And that's it. That's it, guys. Super simple fix. I hope you found this helpful. And if so, please click that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one.